So as you know that in our previous session of grammar we had done present tense, and in this session we'll continue with the past tense with the rules regarding each kind of past tense and including examples. So let's start with this. So students, first of all we have past indefinite tense. Again, as we had done earlier, first of all we will go with the rules regarding this, and then I will give you few of the examples. So the rule for past indefinite tense will be subject plus V2, subject plus second form of the verb. For example, I helped. Second form I am using here, my friend. Subject plus V2, second form of the verb. Similarly, he wrote a book. It's an easy one. Further, if you will go for the negative sentences, that also I am including one out of that. If you have to change it in negative only, then the same sentence I am changing. I did not help my friend. And then the same second sentence, if you have to change it, so did not I am using, did it the second form of do, second form of the verb. So likewise, he did not write a book. It will go like this only. So past indefinite tense, subject plus V2. So further you will find such kind of exercise also when I will give you the present tense, and you will have to change it into past tense, in different past tense, different kinds of past tense, whatever I am going to tell you. So just note down these rules also, whatever I am telling you here, note down and including these examples. Now next we will move to past continuous tense. We had done present continuous, subject plus is MR plus V1 plus ing. So quite similar, but what changes will be here? See here, it will be subject plus was or were instead of is MR plus V1 plus ing. And by keeping this rule in mind, we will have to make sentence like I was reading my book. Subject was or were according to the subject, V1 ing. Similarly, he was going to school. Where we will use were? When we will find plural or you, like they. If subject is plural, we will use were. They were playing football. If we have to make the negative sentence in past continuous tense, how will we include not in that sentence? Like you were not going. Similarly, I was not reading my book. Or you may write, they were not playing football. So likewise students, you will make the sentences for past continuous tense. Next we have past perfect tense, and the rule for the past perfect will be subject plus had plus V3, third form of the verb. So with had we always use third form of the verb. So let's start making the sentences by keeping this in mind. We are making sentences in past perfect tense. How will we make? Like, he had left India before independence. Subject, had, third form of the verb, and then rest, whatever you are telling about the subject. Likewise, another example will be here. I had taken my dinner before sunset. So again, this is the past perfect tense. Further, if you have to make negative sentence in past perfect, how will you do? I am taking the same example from there. I just told you, I did not take my dinner after the sun had set. So where had we applied the formula and the rules of past perfect? In the second portion of the sentence. I am giving you one more example in negative only, like, he had not gone. Here we are using had, so definitely in this sentence we will go with V3, third form of the verb. He had not gone before you reached there. If you see, so we had applied this rule in the second part of the sentence we had just done before this, but here we are using it in the beginning, and then rest of the part we are just connecting later on. So we may go like that also, but yes, when we are going with the past perfect tense, so this must be there. At last we have students past perfect continuous tense. And what will be the rule regarding this past perfect? It will be subject plus had plus been plus V1 ing. And yes, as we had in present perfect continuous, since and for definitely will be used in these sentences, because this is past perfect continuous, so definitely past perfect will be included in that and past continuous also. So we are using all the rules of past perfect and past continuous in past perfect continuous. So let's take an example like I had been working for 4 hours. I have told you that where you will use for and where since will be used. So likewise we will go. Okay, for 4 hours, not the fixed time is given that which 4 hour they are talking about, that's why we are using for here. But if it is proper time is given, that morning, evening, Monday, so definitely we will use since. Okay, so yes, see here, subject had been, V1 work, ing working, and then according to the rest of the sentence we will use either for or since. One more example here I am giving you, like we had been living in Delhi since 1980. So see here, fixed time is given there, a proper time is given, so that's why we are using since here. Okay, rest we had followed the same rule and we had made this sentence in past perfect continuous. Well, if you have to make the same sentences into negative, we have to use not. So how will you use in past perfect continuous? Like I am changing the same sentences into negative. Had not been. Not will be between had and been. Not been working for 4 hours. Similarly, we'll go with the next also. We had not been living in Delhi since 1980. So likewise, whenever we have to make the negative sentence in past perfect continuous, we will use not between had and been. So students, actually there are many further sentences also. I didn't tell you yet that how to create the interrogative sentences in different tenses. But yes, surely we will go further regarding that. But till now, whatever we had done, you will just cover that. Present tense we had done, and in today's session we had covered past perfect continuous. Our next session will be of future tense. So here I am ending the session. Thank you.